Amazon product research and exactly what you need to do in order to be successful when selling on Amazon. So when selling on Amazon, I personally recommend you to sell products that are not so competitive and have a high search volume. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean in a second, but I'm going to give you guys 3 guides of exactly what you want to do when selling products online. Especially when you're selling on Amazon, you want to sell something that's not so competitive. That way you can get your feet in the door and you can start making money right away without having to spend a ton of money competing with the big brands. You want to just make around $250 to $350 per day profit on the product and then move on and scale to the next one and the next one. You're going to want to sell something that's small and light, not so heavy because of shipping costs and a lot of Amazon FBA fees. And you want to sell things that are over $15 and have a high profit margin. So in front of me here, I have Helium 10. Helium 10 is a software that I personally use to sell on Amazon. This is how I make a full-time income online, is selling on Amazon. And I'm teaching you guys step by step of what I do in order to find the right products to start selling on Amazon. This is exactly what I've done to grow my online business to over $1 million in sales as of last year. And this year it should be even more. It's crazy how much of a snowball effect it has taken. I've been selling on Amazon for like 5 years now. Every year the business grows about 50 to 100%. So it's just a crazy number. I've never expected to make this much money on Amazon, especially when I started off. But I thought of the long-term journey, and I want to show you guys exactly how to do everything step by step. If you don't have Helium 10, make sure to get it in the link down below. It's going to give you a discount code. I'm going to have it in the description as well as in the pinned comments if you don't have Helium 10. And personally, I think it's like an essential when it comes to selling on Amazon, just because it has so much tools and things to optimize your listing and just able to get on the first page of Amazon with all this data that we're given. What we're going to be doing right now is finding a product to start selling on Amazon. We're going to go through all the filters of what makes a product good to sell on Amazon and all of that information. So once you get Helium 10, you want to go to here. You're going to want to click tools, and then you want to go to Amazon product research, which is called Black Box. Black Box is going to show you, all you have to do is put in the information that I'm going to be giving you. You can literally plug and play all the information I'm telling you. That way you can get the same exact results. So when it comes to categories, there are a couple categories that I personally like and recommend. And these are baby products, beauty and personal care. I personally I stay away from electronics and clothing. I don't like selling those because electronics are always, you need to be up with the trend. You need to sell a lot and very fast because the new product is always coming out. And clothing, there's so much variations, especially if you're starting off. You're not gonna have that much money and capital to just be spending on all this clothing and colors and all that. So I personally stay away from that. Home and kitchen is a good one. Kitchen and dining, office products, pet supplies, tools and home improvement, patio, lawn and garden. I like office supplies because, and I personally like office supplies and home decor because what's cool about this category is that you don't really have to be on the first page of whatever you're selling to get a lot of sales. Because let's say home decor, somebody's looking for a certain type of style or a certain type of look, and somebody's willing to go to the 3rd page, 4th page, even the 5th page, looking for the type of product that they want. Same with office products. You know, somebody's looking for a certain type of product, they would be more than willing to scroll to the 3rd page, even 4th page, to find the product that fits their needs. When it comes to other categories like baby products, right? People are going to only be searching on the 1st page mainly, and they're going to be making a purchase based off their quick judgment of the reviews, the picture reviews, all of this, how good it looks, and they're going to make a quick decision whether to buy your product or not. So if you're new, you know, home decor and office products is not a bad one because you don't even have to be on the 1st page to make some good sales. But the main goal when it comes to selling on Amazon, I personally recommend, is to aim for small products. We're trying to build a long-term business here. So I personally recommend all the people I teach on Amazon to aim for products to sell to $250 to $350 profit per day. If you make $300 per day profit, that's $100,000 that you're making profit. And that's crazy. That's somebody's whole salary, and that's off one product. After this, you can scale to the next product. Like, this is exactly what I did with my first product. I was making around $300. Next year I scaled to the next one, $600. Next one. Now I'm averaging $2,000 profit, but I aim for the little products that don't have a lot of competition. So you want to put this category here. Number of sellers, we're going to put 1 and 1 because we just want just one seller. For price, we're going to let's put $16. I personally recommend everybody that I teach that you want the minimum price to be over $15 because of Amazon FBA fees and shipping fees. If you have it lower, the profit margin is going to be less than 35%. Profit margin is something that I recommend you to remember. I like to stick with 35% profit margin or higher. I'm going to show you guys after I do all this product research why I like to make sure it's 16, and we're also going to check the profit margin later on in this video. So review count, we'll leave this empty. For shipping size, we're going to put large standard. That's what we're going to be doing. We don't like anything big. We're going to put 3 pounds or less because I don't like to ship anything big and heavy. Minimum revenue, we're going to put 8,000 in monthly revenue. And fulfillment, we're going to put FBA. Right? Now we're going to click search. And with this, now we're going to get a full list of products that fit under all the things we're filtering. So what I personally want you to do here is I want you to start clicking a bunch of these products. And I want you to get a bunch of product ideas. This is a very important step to do when you want to start selling on Amazon. You want to find products that are going to give you a high profit margin, and what you want to be doing right now is getting ideas. You don't want to make the full commitment of a product. You want to start getting ideas, and then you want to find suppliers for the product ideas that you have. So let's just scroll down here and get some product ideas. There's a lot of hair. Hair is a really big seller when it comes to Amazon. If you can find a good supplier for extensions and stuff like that, I mean, they sell for so much money, and you can make a lot of money with it. Beauty products such as extensions. Let's keep scrolling. So here's a product idea that I was able to find on Black Box, and you can see that they just sold out of this product, right? But they were selling on average around 12 units a day. They really hit some high sales here, but then they sold out right away. So this product, you know, they were selling it for, let's go back here and check. They were selling it for $30, and they're making monthly revenue of $8,000, which is great. And they only have 26 reviews on this product. This is something that you might want to consider selling if you can get this product maybe around $2 to $3 on Alibaba.com. So let's keep scrolling and looking for more product ideas. So there's this idea, nail polish here. They're selling 6 bottles of nail polish for $26, which is a good profit margin for this product. This product is very small and light, probably less than 1 pound, and they only have 266 reviews. We're going to go to the 30-day sales. On average, they're selling around 20 units per day, and with the Helium 10 extension, we're able to see how much profit they're making, how much sales are they making monthly. So they're making in sales 17,000 monthly in revenue, and this is very, very small. This is like a very small company that's making decent money off, you know, nail polish. So what I really want you guys to do here is get a bunch of product ideas. I want you to get a list of 10, 20 products, a list of a bunch of them. And what you're going to be doing later on is you're going to be going on Alibaba.com and trying to see how much suppliers are selling that product. In front of me here, I have a product idea that falls under everything that I like when selling on Amazon. Something like this eyelash extension glue is personally one of my favorite product ideas that I found with Helium 10. Why? Because it falls under all the categories. It's $15. It's more than $15. It's small and light. It's under 3 pounds, and it's not in a competitive field. So this is something that you can actually get ranked on the first page, because when selling on Amazon, it's very important that we try to get ranked on the first page of all the products that we want. I personally sell, all my products are always on the first page when selling on Amazon. I really try to make sure that the field that I'm getting into is not so competitive. I'm just going to show you guys the potential with a product like this, right? So this person is selling eyelash extension glue, right? And you can go to the 30-day sales. On average, you're selling, I would say, 250 to almost 300 units per day for this product. This product you can source on Alibaba.com for $2, maybe $3. And we're gonna go here to the plugin. We're gonna click X-ray, and this company is making $170,000 in revenue every month selling eyelash extension glue. That's absolutely insane. Close to almost 8,000 units every month, and in revenue, that's over $1 million in sales off one product, eyelash extension glue. And if you go down here and you click on visit their store here, they have a bunch of other products, a bunch of other glues, and they literally just sell glue and lash products. And just selling this, they make over $1 million in profit selling eyelash extension glue. That just shows you the potential when it comes to selling on Amazon. You can literally sell random products like this and make a full-time income, make a ton of money online. But of course, you need to know all the steps and all the little tips and tricks. So to find out if a product is good to sell or not. So once we have a bunch of product ideas, right? And we find all these product ideas on Helium 10, what we're gonna be doing, like let's say we wanna sell eyelash extension glue. What I would do step by step if I wanted to sell this product is, let's go back to the ASIN. So this product has an ASIN. The ASIN is the identity of the product. So you really always want to learn what the ASIN is. Every product has its own ASIN number. This is like the code of the product. So you're just going to copy this ASIN. When we go to copy this ASIN, we're going to go on Google really quick here. .com. I'm going to put Amazon FBA calculator. With the Amazon FBA calculator, you're able to see how much profit margin we'll be able to make with this product. So let's say we're trying to sell eyelash extension glue, right? We're going to put the ASIN, click search here. And let's say we want to sell the same product for around $21, right? Now we're going to be putting the product cost of it here. So let's say we can get it for $3, and for shipping this product would be around 40 cents. So we're going to put 40 cents here. You can see that we're going to be making a net margin of 45%, which is over 35% that we aim for. And each unit that we sell, we're going to be making almost $10 in net profit, $9.59 each sale that we make selling eyelash extension glue. So these people sell over 7,000 units per month, and 7,000 times 10 is 70,000. They're making $70,000 in profit selling this one product every month, which is absolutely insane. So let's say we wanted to sell this exact product. What I personally do is I'll go on Alibaba.com, extension glue here, click search. What we're going to be doing is go to the price here. Let's put maximum price $4, right? And what we're going to be doing is going through a bunch of these suppliers. I personally would deal with Alibaba suppliers that have been on the platform for over 5 years. We're going to contact a bunch of these suppliers, and we're going to get products samples from these suppliers to see if the product quality is good and if we want to sell the same product. So how are we going to tell if even the product category that we found is competitive or not? That's another thing that you want to learn, is that just because you have a product idea, right? What we're going to aim to do is get this product on the first page. So Helium 10 also has that tool for Amazon product research. So we're going to go copy the ASIN like we have here. Right? We're going to copy this ASIN, copy it. We're going to go back to Helium 10 and we're going to go to 𝘬𝘪𝑏. 𝘬𝘪𝑏 is like a reverse engineer, just gets all the data from the competitors. We're going to paste the ASIN here, get keywords, click a new search. I know this is a lot of information, especially if you're new, but this is going to show you and like allow you to get ranked on the first page of Amazon. It's going to make you a long-term business. So what I personally do here, we're going to put 500, 100,000, put 1 to 15. Okay, I think this is good here. Right, and now we're going to get 33 keywords, right? So let's go to search volume here, rank it like this, and we're going to be able to see which keywords that we should rank for. So lash glue for eyelash extensions is 45. It's getting, on every day, it's getting 16,000 searches on Amazon, and to get ranked on the first page, you only need to sell 45 units for the next 8 days. So the CPR here, it shows you estimated number of units that need to be sold over 8 days, resulting from a search to get you on the first page. So 45 units to get on the first page is very doable. I recommend anything under 100. So you can get ranked for eyelash extension glue, lash glue for eyelash extensions. You can get that ranked on the first page, and all this information is a lot, but when selling on Amazon, once you get the flow of it and once you start finding the product, finding the supplier, getting all of that arranged, you can make a full-time income. This is a lot of information to take in for one video, for sure. But once you do your first order, your first shipment, everything's gonna flow right from there, and then you're just gonna make a long-term business. When I first started selling on Amazon, I was really intimidated. All this information was extremely new, so I didn't even know if it was going to be successful or not. I took the leap of faith. I put what I had saved up. I bought my first product. I did really well, saved up, reinvested in the business, kept growing it from there. If you want to take Amazon serious, I even have a free course for you guys. It's going to be in the link down below, in the pinned comments, as well in the description. There's nothing needed to sign up for the free course. You can literally start learning all the information of Amazon. I try to make it as easy as possible to sign up for the free course. It has like a ton of videos for you guys to find products to start selling, how to get ranked on the first page, what you need to do, and shipment information as well. And I also have a more advanced course. The more advanced course is not free, but it's all the little tips and tricks of exactly what I did wrong in my years. I even lost, like, when I first started and I tried to scale really quickly, I lost like $20,000 by making this dumb mistake, like completely dumb, but I learned my lesson. And I teach you all the little tips and tricks of exactly how to get ranked on the first page, what I do, and all the updated information on my advanced course. So Amazon's always updating and evolving, so the advanced course always has like that up-to-date information. But check out that free course. The free course is completely free. There's nothing needed. You can literally start learning how to sell on Amazon today. I'll have it in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. And if you have any questions regarding Amazon, or you want me to make different types of videos for you guys, leave them in the comments down below. I always read the comments. I'll help you guys out as much as possible. And that's about it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video if you can. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.